Hello everyone, it's Gigi or Greg the Geek for those close to me. Today I am presenting the new DJI Osmo Mobile 7P, a smartphone gimbal you will see super intelligent with some extra features, and you'll see that it is very simple but does the essentials. For this video, I decided to do a bit in the center of Bangkok at Talat Noi and all, which is the Chinatown district. Since it's Chinese Water Day, I decided to go to Bangkok in the Chinese Quarter, so I'm not out of place. I will present this product to you with all its advantages, and we will see if we set it up in vlog configuration. Is this gimbal really ideal? Let's go. A somewhat succinct presentation of the product. What DJI promises us is much more than just a simple stabilizer. In fact, we'll see that it's simple but still quite good. It allows you to turn your smartphone into a pro camera with intelligent tracking 7.0, incredible integrated LED lighting with 4 levels of temperature and brightness, wheel control, quite nice. 10 hours of battery life plus the ability to charge the gimbal. And with the gimbal to charge your phone, an integrated tripod, not bad, a 250mm pole, 4 stabilization modes adapted to all needs. In the box we also find our gimbal. We will find 2 cables, a charging cable to recharge our gimbal, a super short cable that we will see can be placed behind the gimbal to charge directly our phone, not bad. We will also have a small pouch, it's nice, and the grid to be able to put around our phone and discover a little our gimbal at the front, an LCD screen displaying the battery level and especially the system status, which we will see we can choose between 4 modes. To be able to on this, you just need to press the M button that allows you to navigate through the 4 stabilization modes, which are all a little different and yet very useful. We will also have a recording button that will allow, if TF1 is in photo mode, to take pictures, if TF1 is in video mode, to put in mode. Video on the left. Of all that, we will also have a small joystick to navigate the gimbal a little. If you manually want to make a stylish shot, you can do it directly via this joystick. And finally, there will be the button that actually allows you to either rotate, to turn the gimbal a little. Not bad. Once again, there you go. Double clicking allows you to set the gimbal either horizontal or vertical. Okay, but you realize that if you click, it allows switching between photo and video modes. If you triple click, it allows switching between the front and rear cameras, so you can control everything with this little button there, and then the photo or video recording. Bam, let's do a little test in the street like this to see a bit. So what's rather interesting is that with the tracking, we can almost say I don't take care from my gimbal. I set it up like this, I shoot, even if you can see the camera sees people, it doesn't lose tracking and will stand like this. See back there, there is indeed a person walking, and yet see, it is still focused on me. And we'll see that even when I was doing shots and people were passing behind, it stayed focused on me. So it can be quite good, because if you want to make some stylish shots and have a camera that circles around you, you don't worry about it. And with the tracking, the camera does the work, and we can say that's quite interesting. So I'm going to go back over there. Then, an interesting thing, you'll ask, but does it work without the DJI application? Well, yes, you see your phone there, it's on, for example. We press it once there, we switch to green, and when I move around, you can clearly see that it's not my phone following me, but rather the sensor beneath the camera. We press it again, there it's on red. We go back, we do it again. Yes, now it's not following me anymore. I press the trigger again. It turns green, and now the gimbal follows me. But where we will certainly get the best results is by obviously placing the camera a little distance away like this and using the lapel microphone. Once again, the real advantage of the lavalier microphone is that 1, it is automatically recognized via the application, and we have a small level meter that appears in return. So what is nice is that we can go a little far. It's a bit balanced. I'll try to put it like that and all that. In theory, if people pass behind, it shouldn't lose track of me. There we go. We check. People have just passed. No, it's good. You see, it stayed well on me. So it allows me to keep all the shots I want a little low. There are some things that are somewhat nice, like this, put ourselves like this, then we move a little away. Here normally you should hear me well, and we are still quite far away. Let's admit. Okay, other tips. You want to use your DJ mic, but don't want to use the receiver like we did. You want to use only the mic? Well, it's possible. You use the cable on the small QR code here. The connectivity is here, we'll put it like this here, so there you go. So now we have done how it works. It's very simple. You take out your DJ microphone here from the box on the side here, you'll have a synchronization button. You hold it down for a long time, all above, so they sync. So here you see we have the letters blinking on the other side to indicate we're in sync. we take our DJ mic and hold down on it for a long time so that it also gets in sync. Okay, let's watch the magic a little, and bam, yes, we can clearly see that our mic has been recognized by the receiver, and we can see that we have help, which means we can properly synchronize. We can also directly see in the settings menu, we click here and we indeed have the little mic here. We click there and we can clearly see that our microphone has the VU meter activated. We can enable noise reduction or not, make some adjustments and access the microphone settings directly linked to our module. All right. Another little tip to finish, you place your phone a bit far away, you have your microphone on you, you press the synchronization button here, automatically it starts the recording, pressing it stops it, allowing you to say remotely, there you go, I want to make a recording, we wait, the microphone is well synchronized, and the level meter is moving, we stop, it's easy. Well, I'm doing an additional mode again, because I thought at what distance it will be able to track me a little. So I'm going to try to go to the end of the temple a little like this. You see there, I'm leaving. I'm at the end of the temple here, there. I'm at the door there. I don't know if it sees me. I'm going to try to go over there just to hide a bit. Will it follow me? And it's incredible because here personally, I'm still quite super far. It's not bad. Well, let's get back a little to our 4 modes that you can activate. For example, the follow mode, ideal for natural moving shots. Once again, the gimbal follows the movement while maintaining a horizontal position. The locked tilt mode is perfect for filming around a subject. Again, it will really stay on the horizontal level, and no matter how much you move, it will try to maintain some stability. The FPV mode is ideal for capturing dynamic movements. Once again, it slightly follows your hand movements and all that. It's pretty fast, quite active, and that's really the mode I like a lot. And finally, the last mode, which may not be the best, but the most suitable one, which is the spin shot mode that offers cinematic effects, a perfect rotation for stylized transitions. The difference here is that the gimbal will not keep the phone horizontal. If you tilt the gimbal to the left, it will tend to tilt your phone to the left, which will immediately give you some really stylish effects like that. One of the features that can go well beyond tracking, that follows me even at night. It's really this flash function. So to summarize multiple modes, once again, you press on it, you set the color directly, so there you can either increase or decrease the power of the lighting, or by pressing it. Once you can adjust the warmth a little bit here, we are on white, press it, I put it all the way, hold it down and say, I want something more yellow, much more yellow, very yellow. We come back here, go back to the front, we'll switch to more of a white mode, press it again, and there, you can adjust the power a bit here. I turn it off. We're still in the dark. I press it again for a long time, and there we are at the minimum. And after that, it allows for a little variation in lighting. But you have to admit that in selfie mode, it still does not bad the difference. Well, one of the key words is the tracking mode like this, placed on a table. It's true that the 215 millimeters or 20 centimeters, well, that makes the small distance, which is quite interesting, meaning that placed on the ground, it might have been a little, well, then we had to find some things there. The fact of being able to raise it a little bit, I personally really like, and you see, I'm not the only YouTuber making videos like this and all. It's really good. Personally, I find that the tracking is really very effective. I think you're going to enjoy it a little too. So, a brief conclusion. Is this Osmo Mobile 7P gimbal the game changer? We'll see that it still has positive points. Well, one, the ultra precise tracking, once again thanks to artificial intelligence and the new tracking, and with a good phone we have tracking that works really well, and it's really nice when you get into it, you set it up like that and make videos, it lets my creativity flow. Well, the thing is still pretty good knowing that there is indeed a battery in the gimbal. 10 hours of battery life is not bad, but if I charge my phone, there is really a short cable that goes behind the LED module which plugs directly into your phone. Then you go on the gimbal, double click the M button, and bim bada boom, it charges your phone. Yes, because if your gimbal has battery and your phone doesn't, you're stuck. You're thinking no, with any cable or the original cable, because it's great. Sure, bim bada boom, we put it on, we double click, we have the battery, we're off for filming, and then I don't know how much to maintain for the gimbal to make nice videos. Well, I don't have the price yet, unfortunately, so if we base it on the fact that I looked a little at the Osmo 6, which was 149 euros, there's a very good chance will be in the same price range. Watch out to see if the LED module is optional. I don't know yet. I would say around 150 euros including tax on Amazon. That seems like a quite reasonable price. Well, what do you think about this gimbal? Tell me directly in the comments. As all thumbs are allowed. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If not, give it a thumbs down. All thumbs are allowed. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking on my logo. Don't forget to click on the bell for notifications when I, for example, upload a new video about the new product. And then I think that will be it for today. Have a great day, everyone. Bye bye.